For the central limit theorems, for mean, as the sample size n increase, the distribution of sample means narrows on the population mean and its standard error sigma gets smaller. So which means when the n increased, the distribution will narrow down and all the value will be concentrated around the population mean. So we have already proved that is true, but there are the two parameters. The first one will be the sample size. Second one will be the amount of the data size. And this experiment is based on an example from the textbook. So we assume the average price for a MP3 player is 80 and the standard deviation is $10. So now we assume that in each data size there are the 20 numbers, and totally we get 100 data sets. And let's see what is the result. Before we go to, we have to make sure the simulation is no any data set in this folder. And now let's try it. What we get is a 2.19 for the standard deviation of the sample mean. The mean of the sample mean is 80.06. Standard deviation of the x is 9.88. Now I delete all of them and increase the value. This time we get 199 files, and we run it. Okay, the standard deviation is becoming, actually it's worse, 2.19. This is 2.43. This is different with our expectation. Let's try 300. Okay, this time it's worse again. 2.19, this for 100 data set. 2.43 for 200. 2.23 for 300. So now let's try increase the sample size to 40 to see how it goes. Before we do it, we delete all of them. Okay, this time the standard deviation is 1.53. It's absolutely smaller than the 2.19. Let's try 80. Okay, so in here, the standard deviation decreased to the 1.23. So what we can learn from this part, which means when the n increase, the sigma will be always decrease. But when the m, that is the amount of the data size, increase, it is very hard to see the sigma will be increase or decrease. So that is a part you may be confused about. Thank you.